Let's quickly look at this midday analysis on a Nifty Bank Nifty, where we are, how the trading is going on. So if you look at the market closed yesterday here and it opened in the negative tone, and we clearly said that don't take any CE trade unless you see a clear reversal. From here, if you see till here, there are no back-to-back green candles, and only here we see some reversal within a resistance here, right? These two candles are given in a good strong upside momentum, and once this line is crossed, you take a CE and sit right. And from here, which is like 23,540, and right now we are at 23,680, right? So almost like 140 points up in one side direction. Now you can expect some kind of a reversal here, because considering VWAP weekly low, both of these are here, there may be push here and then reversal, and then if the momentum can take out this, then you should be able to see good upside till here and then beyond till here, right? So be prepared for this, wait for this opportunity, don't jump into this trade here, because if you look at here what happened, right? The same thing you can expect here, and then after the retracement there is a possibility of breakout, and then once you see a clear breakout on above this, then you can consider a CE side. Now looking at the Bank Nifty actually morning when the Nifty is going down, Bank Nifty is moving up, and after that it's actually completely flat, right? But if Nifty can break out that weekly low, and then if it can move further upside, then Bank Nifty also definitely can move beyond this, will come here, and then you can see high of the week, right? So it can happen. Yesterday, if you look at from here to here in a quick shift, so there is a PE side, but today if this cross, the same thing you can expect towards low of the month also. Be prepared for this. So for today, if you look at, there are a few things actually we are talking about. Divi's Lab is an upside momentum. We're taking a good trade here. And there is another trade which is actually identified by one of our team member, Petronet Futures. So we actually able to see it somewhere here, and then it went all the way up to 349, right? So there are these two. There are a few other things, but for the midday update, we will talk about only Nifty and Bank Nifty especially. We'll talk about the detailed analysis end of the day. Let me go back to the Nifty. I want to see if this momentum will break out the retracement and then break out. So hope we'll get this opportunity. Don't get into this trade quickly. Only if you see a clear back-to-back breakouts, then you go for PE. Otherwise, you stay with the positive C as in your mind. Okay. Thank you. See, this is actually being pulled back. Okay. So I want to show you one more thing before I close. Okay. See, there are some indications. Here, the candle is green, but the volume is red. Right. So this is an internal volume. Net volume is red. That's why I'm printing it here. Candle is positive, volume is red. This is okay, but here red. So a lot of push to go downwards is actually, you can see it here, but hope this will give it a complete buy side, and then we can see some good upside momentum. Okay, we'll talk about this indicator later. I've given this access to some of the people for the testing also. I will continue to add more functionality to this and share it with you. Thank you very much.